This is a quick introduction to Figma Make. We're going to explore the interface and where all the assets you need on Figma Make are located. The basic workflow. So Figma Make is a tool that helps you turn your designs into functional prototypes. You can convert your Figma designs into apps, solutions and all. And you can also turn prompts into apps and solutions. Just vibe code basically. So how do we get here? To get to Figma Make, you can easily just go to Google and search for and just type Figma Make. The first link, you click on it, it brings you here. So you can go through the landing page, explore the navbar if you like, for the Figma product, solutions, the community, the resources. Then you can actually log in. So you'll be logging into the Figma interface. So there are two ways to actually get access to Figma Make. So one is through the Figma interface. You just log in, sign up if you have not. But if you have, you'll sign in. So once you are signed in, you find yourself on this interface. This is the Figma interface. All you need to do is to navigate to the navbar and click on the end where you see all these tabs at the top. Click on the last one which says Make. Now this will take you to the Figma Make interface. So you'll be familiar with this kind of interface where you have templates and then the type bar. Where you can add your idea to vibe code. Okay, so I'm just going to explore the whole interface and show you what is where and how to actually navigate this whole interface. So at this point you have untitled. Basically you can rename, you can move the file, you can move to trash. Basically this whole project you have just created, it has no name yet, so that's where you can rename it. On this part you can go back to files, to the Figma files. Okay, you can create a new file if you don't want this. You can save it locally to your laptop, to your PC, and preferences. Basically all these ones are not really important. Okay, this is a help account where you can send converse with the help support to get a feedback on an issue you are facing and so on. This is where you log out. Now coming to this point, this side you have the settings. So general settings, domain settings. So general settings are basically integrations like Superbase, GitHub, and getting a domain name. Okay, if you want to, or you can use the Figma domain. Then you have general, add the title, add the description of what you are building, and what else is left. Can change, add a favor icon. That is an icon when someone searches for your app, the icon they see at the search bar, at that tab at the top, this is where it comes in. They can also add an image for social sharing, like maybe if you share your app, the image that pops up first. So this is just the basics of the general settings, domain, experimental models. So you don't really need to go through all these ones. So let's just go back. So you have see more. This is if you want to see more templates that people have actually vibe coded. So for now there's nothing to show. So if you click forward, you see more templates. Okay, so you can easily use one, remix it if you want, or you can just create yours instead. So this plus sign here is if you want to attach a design. So you want to attach a design from Figma, you can do so. If you want to upload an image you've designed and you downloaded it before, you can upload it. Maybe you have an inspiration from maybe Pinterest or Mobbing, you can upload it here as well. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to try and design something, prototype something off the top of our head. So let's just go. So this is just a basic dashboard for a bank. So let's just see what it comes up with. So I'm going to use this to show you the other interface, the workspace itself. Okay. So this is a workspace. It looks similar to every other vibe coding tool. You have Lovable, AI Studio, and the rest of them. Everything is still in the same place. You have the chat box here. You have the plus to add images, attach images, select library, point and edit. So if you want to edit a particular point in your design, and this is the AI coding space. So basically your prompt and your responses from the AI and the code which it's writing. And you have, if you want to view code, this is it. If you want to view the design, this is it. Here you can so this is a learn more from AI. So it's an AI assistant that helps you to get more details on what you are doing. So let's click on it. It opens up this. So I think this is their documentation. So we could use this to find out about some things that you might not be clear on. So coming down here, you have the fintech dashboard. That's the name. You can rename it if you want. Move the file, move the trash. And this is still the same settings we went through the last time. Coming to this side, this is where you can change it to mobile version, but let's just wait for the app to be done. And this is where you can refresh the preview. Here you can copy design, so maybe like duplicate the design if you want. This is your profile, and this is if you want to preview the design like full screen. This is where you publish. So when you click on publish, you can change the title, add a URL, or use a Figma URL. You can feature it in the community, and I'm going to show you something. So when you turn it on, you can feature it in the community. Everybody will have access to it and be able to view it. So that is for the publish. So that there is no way you can publish. I don't think so. So I'm going to come back to the publish so I can show you something about this publish button. Let's just wait for the app to be done. Then the share button is if you want to share it to somebody. You can invite somebody with an email and you decide on what you want them to be able to do, edit or view. Okay, only invited people or anyone with link, so it's left for you to decide. So you can copy the link and share from here. So the app is still trying to load up. So I just have one more thing to show you, the publish button, and then these icons below. But let's wait for the app to be done. So it's done with the version 1. It's gonna show up here. So this is the dashboard it has built. So what I needed to show you was this. You can change it to mobile view and change it to PC view. So for some reason it has only 2 views, but you can change Android, compact, medium, custom, iPhone 6, 16, Pro Max, and so on and so forth. Now you come to this point. This is where you can click and edit something. So they want you to upgrade for this. Settings. So we have if you want to connect to GitHub, Superbase, adjust the guidelines. So that's an advanced stuff. So you can also go to preview. This is how you preview the whole website on your PC. So for this button you have point and edit. So once you click on a place, you can add, edit the prompt, change whatever you want to change here. Okay, edit prompt, edit design, change the color and everything, change the curves, the spacing and the width of the design, the code. It takes you to the point where the code is. You can change that. And you can click on this to exit that point. So these are dashboard. So one thing I like about Figma Make is its ease at creating dashboards. Like it's very easy to create dashboards here. Very good dashboards, completely functional. You can see. And this was just a very small prompt. Security, not functional. Transactions, drop down, accounts, dashboard. So you are supposed to define what you want and see if this aligns with exactly what you want it to do. And you can start iterating on this. Coming to, we've seen a preview, the libraries. So select the library. You still need professional for this. Then the publish button, the share. I mentioned the share before, and the publish button. So it doesn't allow you to, let's put a name for this. Let's say fintech. So you must feature it on the community for you to be able to publish it. So that is the only disadvantage, and this is exactly what I wanted to show you. So you must feature on the community before you can publish. So what if you don't want people to see it? So it means you have to upgrade your account. So that's the only catch there. Publish your site to get your Figma site subdomain. So that's basically it. That's how you publish. So what else do I need to show you? And that's about that for Figma Make. You can preview your site and make iterations. Once you type, the changes are made. Use this to point to a particular section and edit that section. And that's basically how it's done. I'll see you guys in the next video.